Back in action, we made it to Rome. Kind of crazy during this COVID shit. I've never seen the city so empty before. I'm in the Spanish Steps right now and there's not one fucking tourist up my ass, which is weird. My brother just dragged me all the way here to go to a cafe that doesn't even fucking exist. And we're off to a rough start.
Let's go be tourists. I wanted to see it. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, you're supposed to look it up. Remember when I said check, see
it was
if it's
right
open?
there. You got to clip to the movie to see what I wanted to see.
Fuck that movie. All right, so the cafe was a fail. Now we're going to my favorite lunch spot, La Salumeria. Sandwiches, cold cuts, cheese. Large. Little dinger right there. Last panino was salami, this one's prosciutto. Look at that. Is it worth it?
Oh yeah.
Worth the hype?
Fit right in the diet.
Out of 5.
And it was so good.
5?
Yeah. 5.
Cinque?
5.
I'm starting this trip at 180. I'm ending it at 195.
I'm on a diet too.
All right, let's go to the Sistine Chapel. You'll never see the Vatican like this in your life.
Yeah, pretty sick.
Empty. Just eat some fucking amazing pizza and pasta. My fat ass forgot to vlog it. Snooze, you lose.
I remembered to finish it.
They wanted to have a salad. I wanted to go up 2 cup sizes this trip. Large. Look at this fucking shotgun Instagram there. A little view from our terrace. A little hot tub action. Large. Check out this view though. This is probably the nicest hotel in Rome I've ever stayed at. The Vatican. That's where we were today. Done in Rome. Next stop, go Capri. Fabio, I love you.